Hey fish people, welcome back to the channel. So I'm coming at you with 365 days of fish keeping. That means I'll be posting one video a day highlighting a fish, a plant, certain food, or really anything else that I feel, fish related, I want to highlight. So these videos are going to be really quick little snapshots of subjects for the day. If you're talking like about plants or fish, there's going to be a little quick synopsis and maybe a bit care guide in there. Same with food or equipment. I'll also give the fish a score from 1 to 10 based on my personal preference. Keeping them, their appearance, their temperament, all that good stuff. And as always, thank you guys so much for the support on all the videos, but please remember to smash that subscribe button. Helps me out a lot. For today's video, I want to focus on a new fish food that I started using after Aquashella Chicago in August, and that is this Xtreme Nano Food right here. So this food is a 0.5 millimeter pellet in size. It's extremely tiny. I'll try and get some footage and put it up here if I can. The food is so tiny that makes it perfect for your nano tanks and nano fish. I even feed it in my community tank that has those smaller fish in it. I'm going to say it's a moderately sinking pellet, and that means that, they say slow sinking and, it slowly sinks. Moderately sinking to me, about half of it falls right away, the other half will stay toward the top and fall down. It depends, when you dump it in, the stuff that's on gets hit the water first. When your second stuff comes in, it'll fall down as well. So what do I feed this to? I feed this to a variety of fish. I feed it to all my Rasboras, so the scissortails, the chilies, the harlequins. I feed it to all my tetras. I got too many of those to name, but I got my lemon tetras, bloodfins, neons, cardinals, you name them, I've got them. I give it to my guppies, my mollies, corridors even, and the two-spot catfish along with plecos. It's extremely high in protein, so I like to feed it once a week across the board to all of my tanks. It also is labeled as a high protein fry food. So that being said, you could probably give it to some fry that are slightly bigger on birth. It's probably not going to work with things like betas. Might work on some guppy fry when, once they are big enough to take solid foods. I would start you out on your powdered food first. But if you want to use this for them, stick it in a pepper mill, grind it up. The fish are still going to eat it. It's powdered. They can use that way. So we'll look at the contents now. The guaranteed analysis says there are 52% crude protein, 11% crude fat, 2% crude fiber. The food contains krill, fish, and squid meal as its first three ingredients. There's also fish protein concentrate, fish oil, and then your various minerals and vitamins, supplements, and all that good jazz in there. So this food is good for any of your smaller nano fish, like I mentioned, like a high protein. For me, I think it's a perfect food to feed to your beta fish. I give this to all my betas once a week, just so they get a nice high protein push of food. Because it's so small, I take a literal pinch. There might be 5 or 6 of these in there, and I just put them in the tank. The fish go crazy for them. I also give it to my wild betas as well, and they seem to love it, as do their tank mates. Any of your larger fish, you're probably not going to want this food. But that's just because it's so small. You're not going to want to be feeding this to, Oscars or arowanas or bigger cichlids, because the food is so darn tiny, you have to feed so much of it for it to get any goodness. The closest food I've seen to this in size would be Hikari Micro Pellet, which I also feed as well, so it's right up on there with me. Overall, I think this is a great food. It's not overly expensive. This large container here will run you about $22 and should last you a decent amount of time, depending on how many tanks you have. So since I'm rating a fish food now, I'm going to base the rating off of the ingredients, how much my fish like it, and how it affects my fish. So does it color them up? Does it make them sick? Because I've fed some foods that, will make the fish sick. So I've only been feeding this for about 5 months now. So given that I haven't been able to try it on everything, like guppy fry or other smaller fry, I'm going to give the Xtreme Aquatic Nano Food a 9 out of 10 ram's horns, simply because I have not tested it on everything. Had I had time to test it on some fry, it might have gotten a perfect 10, but it is a great food. All my fish do enjoy it. I have noticed they are still healthy. The colors have gotten more vibrant, so definitely recommend this food to anyone who's not tried it yet. And as always, thank you guys so much for the support in all the videos. So please remember, if you have not yet, smash that subscribe button, ding the notification bell, leave a like if you like the video, leave a dislike, and drop a comment. Let's have a conversation about fish food. Anyway, until next time, guys, I will see you later.